Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss about computer fundamentals. In computer fundamentals, first we learn about what is computer and full form of computer. C for commonly, O for operating, M for machine, P for particularly, U for used for, T for technology, trade or technical, E for education, R for research. This is the full form of computer. And next, computer definitions. Okay, computer definitions. First definition. The word computer is derived from Latin word compute, which means to calculate or calculations. And computer is an electronic device, and computer is commonly operating machine, particularly used for technology, education and research. Computer, second definition. Computer is an electronic device which is made up of electronic and electromechanical components. And third definition. Computer is an electronic device which accepts the input data through keyboard or mouse, and after processing it display the output on monitor and stores results in storage. And fourth definition. During the processing, computer has to perform mainly four functions. Number one, input. Number two, process. Number three, output. And number four, storage. Okay, computer fourth definition. During the processing, computer has to perform various functions like first receives data. Computer receives data in input, receives data as input, and second, process in CPU, central processing unit, and after processing produce the result as information, and finally computer stores results in storage. This is the computer definition and full form of computer. Second topic is computer memory or memory unit. The smallest location of computer memory is bit. One bit equal to one character or one number. One byte equal to 8 bits. Example 100 and 1001. Next, 1 kilobyte KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte MB is equal to 1024 KB. Next, 1 gigabyte 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. 1 terabyte TB is equal to 1024 GB. Next 1 petabyte PB is equal to 1024 TB. 1 exabyte EB is equal to 1024 PB. Next 1 zettabyte ZB is equal to 1024 EB. Last one yottabyte YB is equal to 1024 ZB. This is the computer memory, and the size of computer memory is termed as orderly bit, the small to big, bit, byte, KB, kilobyte, and megabyte, MB, GB, gigabyte, terabyte, TB, and petabyte, PB, exabyte, EB, zettabyte, ZB, and last yottabyte, YB. Third topic is what is hardware and its examples. Hardware. The physical components are parts of the system which we can see, touch and feel in the computer is called a hardware. The computer lo manaku kanpinchedi physical parts or physical components which we can see, చూడగలుగుతాం ఆ parts ni computer యొక్క, and see, touch చేయగలుగుతాం and feel in the computer is called a hardware. And examples of hardware are keyboard, primary input device, keyboard and mouse. Next, primary output device, monitor, printer, speakers and scanners, and RAM, random access memory, is also a example of hardware. Motherboard, processor, hard disk and electronic circuit, these are the examples of hardware. Next topic is what is software and what are the types. Software, collection of programs is called a software. అంటే కొన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్ల యొక్క కలయికనే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అని అనొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ another definition of software, a set of instructions is called a program, and set of instructions, instruction అంటే ఆదేశం, set of instructions in the form of program is called a software. And software is divided into two types. Number one, system software, and number two is application software. First, system software. System software makes the computer to work. Computer work చేయడానికి మెయిన్ గా సిస్టమ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అవసరం. And system software is nothing but operating system. And operating system is nothing but, operating system is an interface between the computer and user. Operating system is an interface between the computer and user. And examples of system software, MS-DOS, Microsoft disk operating system, and MS Windows, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix operating system and Linux operating system. These are all the examples of system software. MS-DOS, Microsoft disk operating system, MS Windows operating system, Microsoft Windows operating system, and versions of Windows operating system are Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Unix operating system and Linux operating system. Next one is application software. Application software. Application software provide some services to the user, and application software solving specific problems to the user. Examples of application software are MS Office, Turbo C, Adobe Photoshop, okay, examples of application software are MS Office, Turbo C, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Flash, and Autodesk Maya, Tally. These are the examples of application software. Next topic is operating system. What is an operating system and examples of operating system? The operating system. Operating system is an interface between the computer and user. The operating system అనేది ఒక మీడియేటర్ లాగా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది కంప్యూటర్ కి అండ్ యూజర్ కి మధ్యలో మధ్యవర్తి లాగా ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది పనిచేస్తుంది. And operating system is used to operate the computer or run the system. అంటే కంప్యూటర్ని వర్క్ చేయాలంటే ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమే యూజ్ అవుతుంది, రన్ ద సిస్టమ్. అండ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ షార్ట్ అండ్ ఓఎస్. షార్ట్కట్లో ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ని ఓఎస్ అని అంటారు. O for operating and S for system, operating system. Next, or another definition. Operating system is a collection of programs that control the operation of all hardware and other resources in the computer system. Another definition. And examples of operating system are MS-DOS. MS means Microsoft. DOS means disk operating system. And next, MS Windows, Microsoft Windows operating system. And versions of Windows operating system are Windows 7, Windows 8, so on, Windows 10, and Windows NT, Windows Network, and Windows Vista, and Windows XP. XP means experience. Next, Unix operating system and Linux operating systems are the examples of operating system. Next topic is number system used in computers. That data representation of computer consists alphabets, numerals are numbers, and special symbols. These are the data representation of computer. Mainly three: alphabets, English characters, and numerals. Numerals means numbers, and special characters means symbols. @ $, hash, these are the symbols. In our daily life we use decimal system, whereas computer use only binary system. Computer is only binary system. Basically, number system is divided into 4 types. Number 1, binary number system. Number 2, octal number system. Number 3, decimal number system. Number 4, hexadecimal number system. Number 1, binary number system. Okay, here binary number system, bi means two numbers. Binary means two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Computer understands only 0 and 1 only. Here total numbers are 2. 0 and 1 means total is 2 and base is 2. Binary number system base is 2, and example of binary number system is using 0 and 1 we use binary number, that is 10101 base 2 is the example of binary number system. Next number system is octal number system. Octal means 8 numbers. Numbers are octal numbers are 0 to 7 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total numbers are 8, means base is also 8. And example of octal number system is you form any number using 0 to 7. 125 base 8 is the example of octal number system. And next number system is decimal number system. Decimal number system consists of 10 numbers 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total numbers are 10 and base is also 10. Total numbers means base is also same, base is 10. And example of decimal number system is 45 base 10. Using 0 to 9 numbers we form any number, that is 45 base 10 and 125 base 10. Okay, 123 base 10 are the examples of decimal number system. Next number system is hexadecimal number system. Here hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. Decimal numbers are 10 and hexa means 6. Total 16 numbers are there. Hexadecimal number system means this number system consists of 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and same as a decimal number system. Okay, hexa, here extra is hexa. Hexa means 6. 6 are after 9 we 10. 10 means here A, capital A. A is equal to 10. In hexadecimal number system we use after 9 A, comma B, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here A is equal to capital A is equal to 10. And capital B is equal to 11, capital C is equal to 12, and capital D is equal to 13, capital E is equal to 14, and capital F is equal to 15. Our total numbers are 16. 0 is also number, 0 to F, 0 to 9, A, B, C, D, F are hexadecimal numbers. And example of hexadecimal number system are using decimal and hexa we form any numbers, any hexadecimal number. 5 is the decimal number and D is the hexa, means 5D base 16 and 1A5 base 16. These two are the examples of hexadecimal number system. Our second topic is conversion from decimal to binary. Because computer understands only binary number system, that's like a conversion. Okay, first conversion is conversion from decimal to binary. Decimal means 0 to 9, 9 numbers, total 10 numbers, and binary means only 2, 0, 1, computer conversion. Here rule is conversion from decimal to binary number system. Rule is divide the decimal number. Here decimal number is given. Rule is divide the decimal number by 2 repeatedly. Means division. Divide the decimal number by 2 repeatedly. 0 వచ్చేంత వరకు డివైడ్ చేయాలి అండ్ నోట్ ద రిమైండర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బాటమ్ టు టాప్. కింద నుండి రిమైండర్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత డివిజన్ చేసిన తర్వాత డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ని బైనరీకి కన్వర్షన్, రిమైండర్స్ బాటమ్ నుండి కింద నుండి పై వరకు కూడా రాయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం దీన్ని. కన్వర్ట్ 45 base 10 into binary. Given number is decimal number, 45 is decimal number because here base is 10. Base 10 means decimal number system. Decimal number system is given and convert into binary number system means base is 2. Binary number system base is 2. You can convert into binary number system. Given number is decimal number system and convert into binary number system. First take the decimal number that is 45. First take the decimal number that is 45 and 45 is divided by 2 only. Divide the decimal number by 2 means 2 toni divide cheyali given decimal number ni and 2 here 2 first 2 toni divide cheyali. 2 2s are 4. Take one digit, that is 2 2s are 4 and another 2 2s are 4. Take only one digit. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. Next, malli division cheyali 2 toni. 2 1s are 2 1s. 2 11s are 22 and remainder is 0. Next, again divide cheyali 2. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1 and 2 toni malli divide cheyali. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 toni malli 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. This is the conversion from decimal to binary. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Take one digit only. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. 2 22s are 44. Remainder is 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Next, 2 toni malli division. 2 11s are 22. Remainder is 0. Next, 2 toni. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 1. Next, 2 toni. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1 and 2 toni. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. And note the remainders. Your answer is note the remainders from bottom to top. Means that is equal to 1 0 1 1 0 1. Base 2 is the answer. That is the complete sum. Next sum. And convert 256 base 10 into binary number system. 256 base 10 into binary number system. Take a decimal number, that is 256. First, take the decimal number system. Decimal number 256 is the given decimal number given. 256 is the decimal number given, and we can convert into binary number system. First, here divide the decimal number by 2. Repeatedly 0 వచ్చేంత వరకు డివైడ్ చేయాలి గివెన్ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ ని. తర్వాత నోట్ ద రిమైండర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బాటమ్ టు టాప్. నెక్స్ట్, ఫస్ట్ టేక్ ద డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్. 2 తోనే డివైడ్ చేయాలి డెసిమల్ టు బైనరీ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ లో. 2 1s are 2. నెక్స్ట్, టేక్ ఓన్లీ వన్ డిజిట్. 2 2s are 4. రిమైండర్ ఈస్ 1. 16 1 పోదు కాబట్టి 2 లో 16 తీసుకోవాలి. 2 8s are 16. Remainder 0. Means 2 128 ja 256. Next, again divided by 2 only. 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. Remainder is 0. 2 tone divide cheyali. Next, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. 2 16 ja 32. Remainder 0. 2 8 ja 16. Remainder 0. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. 0 వచ్చేంత వరకే ఓకే డివైడ్ చేయాలి గివెన్ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ ని. అండ్ డివైడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత నోట్ ద రిమైండర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బాటమ్ టు టాప్. 1. Now here how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros. 8 zeros are the answer. 8 zeros. 3 4 5 6 7 8 and base is 2. Binary number base is 2. This is the second solution. Next, we take the decimal number as 143 base 10, convert into binary number system. First, take the decimal number 143 and divide by 2. Here given is given decimal number is 143 divided by 2 only. 2 toni. 2 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. Next, 2 toni. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1 means 11. Next digit 11. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 35s are 70 and remainder is 1. Next, 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. 15. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 1. And means 2 17s are 34. Remainder is 1. Next, again divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. Remainder 1, 2 toni mali 2 4s are 8, remainder 0, 2 toni 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. 0 వచ్చేంత వరకు డివైడ్ చేయాలి గివెన్ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ని అండ్ నోట్ ద రిమైండర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బాటమ్ టు టాప్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే 1 here 3 zeros, 1 000 and 4 ones. This is the answer of 143 base 10. Next conversion is binary to decimal. Conversion from binary to decimal. Given number is 11010 is binary number. Given number is binary number and convert into decimal number system. Here rule is multiply the given binary number. Given number is binary number, that is multiply the binary number with the weights of binary system only. Multiply the binary number with the weights of binary system according to their position and note the sum. First take the binary number, that is 11010. First take the binary number 11010 is the binary number. Convert into decimal number. First take the binary number and next multiply the given binary number with the weights of binary system only. Means so last kelly multiply చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. 2 power 0 weights of binary number system are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, so on so on. First number last నుండి 2 power 0 తోని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 2 power 1, 2 square increasing order లో, నెక్స్ట్ 2 cube, next 2 to the power of 4 and note the sum. After multiplication sum also plus 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 plus. Next 0 into 2 power 0. 2 power 0 value always 1. Something power 0 value always 1. A power 0 value is always 1. Means 0 into 1. 2 power 0 value is 1. Something power 0 value always 1. And next 1 into 2 power 1 value is 2. Here 2 power 0 value is always 1 and 2 power 1 value is 2 into 1 means 2. 2 into 1, 2. Next 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. Next 2 cube. 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, similarly 2 to the power of 4 means 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay, these are the weights of binary number system. Next 0 into 2 square. 2 square means 2 to the 4. 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Next 2 to the power of 4. 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay, 1 into 16. 16 plus 1 into 8. 8. 0 into 4. 0 into something always 0 plus 1 into 2. 1 to the 2 plus 0 into 1, 0. 0 into something always 0. Next 16 plus 8. 24. 24 plus 2. 26 is the answer. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Base 10 is the answer. This is the solution of 110 base 2 into decimal number system. Next is 1101 base 2 into decimal number system. First given number is in binary number system. 1101 base is 2 means base 2 means binary number system. Given number is binary number. Convert into decimal number system. First take the binary number system, that is 1101. You take the binary number. First you take the binary number and multiply with the weights of binary number system only. Last నుండి 2 power 0, 2 power 1 increasing order lo 2 square and 2 to the power of cube. 2 to the power of the weights of binary number system are 2 to the power of 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube increasing order, and note the sum. Okay, 1 into 2 to the power of 0 value is 1, something power 0 value always 1. Next 0 into 2 power 1 means 2 into 1, 2 1 ja 2. Next 1 into 2 square, 2 square means 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4. Next 2 cube, 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. Okay, 1 into 8, 8 plus 1 4 ja 4 plus 0 into something always 0 plus 1 1 ja 1. Okay, 8 plus 4 13, 8 plus 4 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 base 10 is the answer. Okay, 13 base 10 is the answer. Now next solution is 8 zeros into decimal number system. Given number is binary number system, convert into decimal number system. First take the binary number. Binary means base is 2, by means 2. That is first take the binary number. Okay, first take the binary number. Given binary number is 8 zeros here. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For total 8 zeros, 1 and 8 zeros total. Same process. Multiply the given binary number with the weights of binary number system. First take the given binary number and next multiply with the binary number system weights. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube and 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 8, and addition is plus symbol. Okay, 2 power 0 value always 1, something power 0, 1, 0 into 1 plus 2 power 1 value 2, 2 1 ja 2, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 square means 2 2 ja 4 plus 0 into 2 cube, 2 3 times, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 4 means 2 4 times, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 5 means 2 5 times, 16 2 ja 32 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 6, 6 means 2 6 times, 32 into 2 means 64 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 7, so 2 7 times, 64 into 2 means 128 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 8 means 2 8 times, 128 into 2 256. 128 into 2 means 256. Means 1 into 256 is 256 plus 0 into something always 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, all are zeros because 0 into something means 0 into something always 0 plus 0 into 1 also 0. 256 plus 0 is 256 base 10. These two are the important conversions. First conversion is decimal to binary, and second conversion is binary to decimal, are the two important conversions of number system. Next topic is full forms of computer, important full forms. First, MS-DOS. MS means Microsoft, company Microsoft. DOS means disk operating system. Next, CPU, central processing unit. In block diagram, CPU is the important, central processing unit is the brain of the computer, CPU. Next, PC-DOS, personal computer. PC means here personal computer, PC, personal computer. Disk means, DOS means disk operating system, PC-DOS. Next, another important ALU, block diagram. Arithmetic, A for arithmetic and L for logical, U for unit, arithmetic and logical unit. Next, RAM. RAM means R for random, A for access, M for memory, random access memory. Next, ROM. ROM means R for read, O means only, M for memory, read only memory. Next, PROM. Here P extra, left side. P means programmable. Remaining same. Remaining is the same full form. ROM means read only memory. Programmable, read only memory. Left side only you are adding P. Next, left side we are adding another E. E means erasable. Erasable, remaining is the same. Erasable, PROM full form same. Erasable, programmable, read only memory. Remaining is the same. He is the here. He is the extra. Erasable, programmable, read only memory. Next, EEPROM. EEPROM. Double E means double E. First E means electrically, second E means erasable. Electrically erasable, programmable, read only memory. Remaining same. Next, EEPROM. E means electrically, A means alterable, electrically alterable, programmable, read only memory. Next, another important full form expand is COBOL. CO for common, B for business, O for oriented, L for language, common business oriented language. Next, Fortran. Fortran, FOR means formula, TRAN means translation, formula translation. Next, basic language. Basic means B for beginners, A for all purpose, A for all purpose, S for symbolic, I for instruction, C for code. Basic full form is beginners, all purpose, symbolic instruction, code. Next, ALGOL. ALGOL means algorithmic language, the language. Next, CD-ROM. CD means compact disk, C for compact, D for disk, ROM, read only memory. Next, last one is DVD-ROM. DVD full form of DVD is D for digital, V for versatile, and D for disk, digital versatile disk. ROM is read only memory. These all are important full forms of computer.